Welcome back to the Cozy English Corner. Today, we are learning a phrase that is incredibly comforting. It is perfect for those times when life seems terrible, but suddenly turns into a happy surprise.
A happy surprise, I love those. What is the phrase?
The phrase is, a blessing in disguise.
A blessing in disguise. A blessing is a good gift, right? And a disguise is a costume like wearing a mask.
That is exactly right. Put them together. A blessing in disguise is a good thing that initially looked like a very bad thing. It is a stroke of luck that was wearing a mask of bad luck.
I understand, it means something bad happens, but later you realize it was actually the best thing that could have happened.
Precisely, it is a phrase about optimism and looking back on the past. Let us look at a classic example. Imagine you lose your job, you are fired, and you are devastated.
Losing a job is terrible. I would be very sad and stressed.
But because you lost your job, you start looking for new work. 2 weeks later, you find a brand new job that pays twice as much money and has a much nicer boss.
So getting fired was actually a great thing for my career.
Yes, you would tell your friends, losing my old job was terrible at the time, but it turned out to be a blessing in disguise.
I am recognizing that the bad event was secretly a good gift.
Spot on. Let us look at a smaller example. You are driving to a movie theater, but your car gets a flat tire. You completely miss the movie.
That is very frustrating.
But later, you watch the news, and you find out the roof of that specific movie theater collapsed during the show. By getting a flat tire, you miss the danger.
That is incredible. The flat tire was a blessing in disguise because it kept me safe.
Exactly. Let us practice the pronunciation. It flows very beautifully. The stress is on blessing and guise. A blessing in disguise.
A blessing in disguise. It was a blessing in disguise.
Flawless, your intonation is very calm. Now, let us test your optimism with our expanded, 3-part quiz.
I am ready. Give me the surprise scenarios.
Scenario 1, you buy a lottery ticket. The next day, you check the numbers and you win $50,000. You are extremely happy. Is this a blessing in disguise?
Definitely not. Winning the lottery is just a normal blessing. It never looked like a bad thing. There is no disguise.
Correct, it has to look bad first. Scenario 2, you get a terrible stomach ache and have to cancel your holiday vacation. While you are resting at home, a massive hurricane hits the holiday resort where you were supposed to stay.
Yes, the stomach ache ruined your plans, which felt bad, but it saved you from a dangerous hurricane, which is a massive hidden gift. That is a blessing in disguise.
Spot on. Scenario 3, you accidentally drop your favorite coffee mug on the floor and it shatters into 100 pieces. You clean it up and throw it away.
No, breaking a mug is just a bad, sad event. Nothing good happened afterwards, so there is no hidden blessing.
You nailed every single question. You perfectly understand how to find the silver lining in a bad situation.
Thank you. Learning English is definitely not a disguise. It is just a clear blessing.
What a wonderful compliment. Have a great day, everyone, and keep practicing.